2012 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a third converter there that everybody hates. Then what we got put on it for you guys is an exhaust cutout right there. And then a CARVEN 3-inch stainless steel performance muffler right there. Look at these welds, babies. I know you guys like them. We try to clean them up even more and more. There it is, right there. I don't know. There's the part number if you guys looking for that R-Series CARVEN muffler. CVESR30. And there's the part number on the exhaust cutout, the electric cutout, right there. We'll try to put a link in the description for both. But that's what it looks like, 3-inch to 3-inch with an exhaust cutout. He's gonna run the electric himself. So there's the tailpipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2014 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. And third one, of course. Then what we got done on it, we put a Black Widow neighbor hater 6-inch, part number upside down, BW0012-25. You'll see a link in the description. Then we put a Y pipe. We can put you a link in the description for that. Mandrel bend tailpipes, 2 1/4 into 4-inch tips, rolled edge. There and there. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely phenomenal. 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It's got factory converters there and there. And it's got the third cat that nobody likes. Then 2 1/2-inch pipe. We continued it, put a Y pipe on it, 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides on each side with black tips, rolled by 18, 4-inch. There and there. As you guys can see, there they are, nice black tips. So it's basically white pipes, straight pipes. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. CARVEN type R. Again. Not bad. It's nice and deep. When you put the cutout, it'll even be louder. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Sorry guys, it's raining. Back to winter we come. So the videos will be a little bit rainy. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. It's right at 100. There's the old exhaust, guys, that we took off. Go ahead and back it up. you guys hear on the inside. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Again. Not bad. Go ahead and back it out. That's perfect. See, that third cat takes a lot of the noise away.
Yeah, I love it.
Right there. And there's the old exhaust we took off. It came with a muffler, flap, and resonator. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Smash that like button if you like this sound. (2014) Neighbor Haters Black Widow Dupes. Whoa, that sounds good. Chevy Silverado